What's up? It's springtime, and that means fresh springtime cooking at AMG. We began this week's class with a lemon chicken. We cut our chicken breasts in half, butterflied them, breaded them in a flour and Parmesan mixture, and then pan sauteed them to get them crispy on the outside, but not fully cooked. We threw them in the oven to finish the cooking process, and we started making our sauce in the same pan. We mixed together butter, garlic, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, chicken stock, parsley, thyme, and rosemary. We pulled the beautiful chicken out of the oven and topped it with the sauce. Next, we moved on to our pappardelle carbonara with asparagus. We cut up asparagus, shallots, mushrooms, and bacon. We threw all of that together in a pan and tossed it with the pasta. We finished our class by making crispy chili lime shrimp. We tossed some shrimp together with anchovy chili powder, paprika, garlic, ground cumin, salt, pepper, and lime zest. We mixed that all together and we roasted the shrimp in the oven. While they were cooking, we made a corn chip salsa with fresh avocado. For that, we mixed together fresh avocado, tomatoes, cilantro, and more lime juice. When the shrimp were done cooking, we tossed those hot babies into our cold salsa and enjoyed. These dishes were so fresh and got everyone in the springtime mood. Chef Grace, out.